everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing 20-minute ab focus HIIT workout. So everything's gonna be pretty much on the floor. So you're gonna need a mat and one heavy weight, just one. And also we have 10 different exercises that we're gonna go over twice. So it's gonna be a 20-minute total. Like I said, each exercise will be 50 seconds of work with 10 seconds of break. So if you're ready, grab your water and let's get started. Let's get started with a warm-up, quick warm-up, big arm circles. I guess our tiger's joining us today. Reverse it. Hamstring curls. She's sniffing the new mat. Onto knee lift for 4. Tap your knees. 3, 2, 1. Again, hamstring curls. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arch it in. We'll do a quick warm up. Good. 2 hip openers. And switch other side. 3, 2, and 1. Shake your legs out. Shake your arms out. Big arm circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, side lunges. Good. And one more. And shake your arms out, shake your legs out. So let's go and get started. So one heavy weight is all you need. First exercise, we're doing 50 seconds of mountain climber. So I'm gonna start with a timer. Get ready. And here we go. Tiger's taking up half of my space. So hands right below the shoulders. Stay right here. Mountain climbers modified. You can go slowly, taking out the cardio part. Otherwise, adding a bit of cardio. Keep going. Make sure you're not running your back. Breathe. Few more. Keep it going. Take a break. Now next we're doing Russian twist. So grab one heavy weight. So feet off the floor, or if that bothers your lower back, bring your heels on the floor, slightly back skate here if you need to. Otherwise, keep your feet off the floor the whole time. Keep going. Breathe. Good. Bringing the dumbbell next to your right and to your left hip. Exercises are pretty simple, but it doesn't mean they're going to be easy. Keep going. Breathe. Take a break. Now drop the weight. Number 3, we're doing flamingo plank. So just on that. She's taking a nap. Make sure you have enough space. You're going to go down, down, up, up, modify. On your knees, elbows even right below your shoulders. Good. Keep going. Make sure if you went down on your right elbow, go down on your left next. A few more seconds. Keep it going. You got it?
There is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me.
Take a break. Number 4, okay, we're going to be on our back. No
The
weight.
sky is on fire.
4 bicycles, 2
The
reverse
lake has turned
crunches.
to a golden sun.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder blades up and forward.
Just wanna dance.
2,
Just
1,
wanna
2,
dance.
3, 4. Tap on with your leg. You can put your head down on the floor and then do reverse crunches here twice. you're right here, pull through. 1, 2. Now modify, you can do it on your knees. And then come up on your toes, do 1, 2. Otherwise, stay on your toes. There, be careful with the tail. One, two, good. So if you see me from the front, it's gonna look like this. Now I feel like I have more space. Oh, good. Next, on our back, number 6, leg raises. Slow leg raises. So, 4 counts down, 4 counts up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Modify, head down. Bend your knees, bend your legs. Stay here. Otherwise, you want to make it challenging. Shoulder blades up. Keep your legs straight as possible. Otherwise, knees are slightly bent. Up, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Don't drop your feet. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 4. Up. 2, 3. Oh my God. 3. Exhale up. Oh good, that is not easy, especially when you're doing it slowly. Okay, stop. Side plank, we're gonna rotate. Side plank dips. I'm running a space. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, turn, and then repeat. 1, 2, 3. Elbow right below the shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Other side. Keep going. Rotate 3 side plank dips per side. Okay, number 8, we're going to be on our back, 4 heel taps with 4 seconds equal. So, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up, hold it 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Modify 4 heel taps. You can use your hands to push yourself up and then hold it here for a second. Otherwise, try doing it without using your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heel taps. 4 second V hold. Again. 1, 2, 3. Next, number 9, we're doing plank walk with shoulder taps. I am just going to do half this time. You're taking up all my spaces. You're going to shoulder tap. Tight grip. Modify, you can just do it on your knees, right here. Oops. Hands right below your shoulders. Number 10, we're going to need our weight again, butterfly crunch. Okay, so I'm facing this way, feet together, knees up to the side.
Everything started to change.
Come up to a crunch. So you're gonna keep your feet on the floor the whole
There's no
time.
going back to your old life.
Modify.
Living in the past.
Just go halfway up.
I'm feeling it tonight.
Otherwise,
Riding on the dizzying
all the way up. Do not lift your feet off the floor. Keep them on the floor the whole time.
Riding on the dizzying heights.
We'll take a break after this.
Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong. It was way more than a dream.
Okay. Stop the timer.
Climbed up
Get a
the
quick water
overlook
break.
hillside. So right, we stood there all wide.
I was already halfway through.
On air in my mind.
Of course, if you want to
There's no going back.
do more than 20 minutes, you can repeat this more than twice, maybe 30 or 40 minutes, more focus. Okay,
I'm feeling
last round, one more
riding on
round.
the dizzying
Start with mountain climbers. Get ready, and go. Mountain climbers. You know the drill now, you know the exercises.
I'm standing on the dizzying
Modify if you need to. Go faster if you want to, or slower if you need to, or just stay with my pace. Okay.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Living in the past.
Wow.
All of that, I'm feeling
Russian
it
twist is
tonight.
next.
Riding on the dizzying heights.
Russian twist. Stay here.
Dizzying heights.
Right here.
We're standing on the dizzying heights.
Or modify. Feet on the floor. Up to you.
Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river. Climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river. Climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying heights.
Take a break. Commando plank is next.
I got your letter. Guess this is
So
better.
ready?
You win sometimes, lose sometimes.
Down,
No need to
up.
apologize. It was the distance
Modify.
between us.
Stay on your
Down
knees.
in disguise, no need to apologize.
Otherwise, stay on your toes.
But I can help that I miss you now. And I need to reminisce this cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now.
Oh god. Okay.
I can't help
Four
that I miss you now.
bicycles, 2 reverse crunches. Okay, I guess that'll be staying this side. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can't say I like it, but I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go. It's not easy, you know. Some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. But I can help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming
Okay, dumbbells roll through with 2 plank jacks. Number 5. So, here.
I can't help that I miss you now.
Keep going. Okay, number 6, leg raises on the back, or up, or down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4. Now if that bothers your neck, keep your head down on the floor the whole time, and you can stay here. If you want to make it more challenging, try to keep your legs straight and bring them as low as you can. Inhale down, exhale up, or make sure you're just breathing nice and evenly.
If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah.
Okay, number 7, side plank twist with rotation. Okay, so start here. 3 dips, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna turn to the other side and then repeat. Elbow right below the shoulder. Take a break. Number 8, on our back, 4 heel taps, 4-second view.
Speak right now, 'cause words will tear us apart.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, without using your hands. Crunch up, hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then repeat.
Wanna show you a new place to
If you need to, you can use your hands, but if you can, try to do without using your hands.
start if you wanna play.
Makes a big difference.
And you decide if you wanna see me again. You wanna see me again. You wanna see me
Take a break. Last 2, plank walk with shoulder taps. Don't need a weight now. We will be needing it after this. Shoulder tap, and then walk. Last one, butterfly crunch. With one heavy weight. This is it.
Every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, or show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.
I think we're almost done.
Every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark.
Put the weight back.
We take, you're falling.
Stop the timer. Great job, everyone. Get water. Oh, stop. Okay, Tiger, you took a good nap. Shake your arms out. Shake your legs out. All ready? We're done already? Yes, we are. We'll do a quick shoulder stretch and quick core stretch, ab stretch. Shoulder. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Quick triceps. Why not, right? Chest stretch. And then back stretch. Arms out, side to side. We'll feel that in your waist, in your waist. And reach up. And then down. Let's do a quick quad stretch. And switch. We didn't do any legs, so we'll do just a quick quad stretch. Now, shake your legs out, shake your arms out. Shoulder roll outs. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more, inhale. Exhale, 1 more time, inhale. Exhale, and that's it for today. That was a quick 20-minute express ab focus HIIT workout. Like I said, if you prefer to do a longer core exercise, then you can repeat this more than twice, 3 or even 4 times. Make it 30 or 40 minutes, up to you. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Don't forget to drink your water, and I'll see you next time.